what I have here is a package that I purchased but doesn't really belong to me. I bought it for someone else. But I'm excited about the content, so I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna box it back up and then we're gonna ship it to them. Stick around and find out exactly what I have in this box. I'm so excited. Woo! Are you ready? Oh, this is cool. This is phenomenal. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Sealed. But I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera arranged and bring it back a little bit closer to us, and we'll take it from there. All right, what we have is a beautiful Nintendo Switch that's a little different than a regular Nintendo Switch. This has a little seal on it, and look at that seal. ColorWear. That's right, this is ColorWear. That's who sent this to me. I wish I could say they sent it to me for free because they love of tech, but that's not true. I had to buy this. This was for the giveaway winner, the big prize in the giveaway last month in December, and it just came in, and I have to unbox it. So I think Nicole won this. Nicole, I'm sorry, I have to open this. Forgive me, I paid for it. You're going to get it out of the wrapper. I think you can survive. So it's just like any regular Nintendo Switch, except it's custom for Nicole because she picked this out. Oh, look at that. She picked out all these colors. This is beautiful. Look at all this color there. Compared to the black Nintendo Switch, that's not exciting at all. It's amazing. Look at that color. Here are the Joy-Cons. So she wanted a green one and a yellow one. So basically, Nicole, this is your Nintendo Switch. So you open this little guy up, put your little kickstand there. Even the kickstand is properly colored. You see that? This thing is gorgeous, and I think that on the white table it looks even better than on top of the box. Look at this custom Nintendo Switch. So if you're into Nintendo Switches, this is for you. I wish I had bought my Switch like this. This looks amazing. I don't know if I can go back to my regular Nintendo Switch after this. I think I might have to get me a custom one, and maybe I'll box mine up for the next giveaway. What do you think? Should my old blah gray Nintendo Switch end up in the next giveaway if I get myself a new one? ColorWear, you do a phenomenal job. This is gorgeous. The way that it feels, it's just like a regular Nintendo Switch. There's a little bit of texture there. Gosh, this is incredible. Good job, guys. This is amazing. This looks phenomenal. Look at these colors. The color combinations on this is gorgeous. Nicole, you did a great job. I cannot wait to package this back up and send it to you tomorrow. For the love of tech, is so glad that you won this because I think you're going to get some good use out of it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, give me a thumbs down. But whatever you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you know when videos are coming out. We are getting ready to rev up and do another giveaway. If you want to go ahead and get some bonus entries into the giveaway, go ahead and give me a Roman numerals 73 dash and tell me what you like about the Nintendo Switch. It doesn't necessarily have to be these beautiful colors, just your favorite feature or your favorite game and accessory for the Nintendo Switch. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Namaste. Oh, come back. I completely forgot. She got a white front to this. This is going to look so amazing. this is how her complete Nintendo Switch is going to look. It looks incredible. Wow, they do such a good job. ColorWear.com. I'd appreciate it if you threw me a coupon code or two. Thanks for watching. Namaste.